Good afternoon friends, this is Hitesh from Anup Kelkar's Python Academy. So today I will back with some another problem statement from data level which is based on Python. So this question we asked in Amazon during the Python interview question. So this is a problem statement missing integer. Okay. So let's see what is problem statement. So given an input list is given to you where n number of distinct numbers are there which is ranging from 0 to m, and that return only number in the range that which is missing from that list. Okay, so for example, list is given to you which contain three number including 0 1 3. So this list will return 2 because in between 0 to 3 in the list three numbers are there excluding 2, so therefore it will return 2, therefore 2 is missing here. So because the input list has three elements in it, we expect to see the number from 0 to 3 in there, but 2 is missing. Okay, so there is another example where in that list 4 3 2 1 is there. So this number in arrange in descending order, and all the number are in sequential manner, and no number is missing here, therefore it will return 0. Okay, so whenever any number is missing in that list, that missing number should be written. If the any number which is present in list, in all the number are present in this list, so at that time it will return 0 because there is no number missing in that list. Okay, so in the another list 4 3 2 1, that will return 0 because input list has 4 element in it, and so we expect to see the number 0 to 4, that in there is no number, therefore but itself 0 is missing, therefore it will returning 0. Okay, so we have to first write the function. So we will give the function name as a missing number. Okay, so always remember, while we are declaring the function is always used by the keyword define, that is def. We'll give the function name missing number, and we are passing the input to the parameter as a num is a list which will store any number of element in the list. Okay, which is followed by the colon. Next it will first accept the how many element in the list. We will apply here length function on the list, so it will return how many element in the list. Now we will calculate the what are the expected sum of that list. So here we are declaring the variable expected sum. Okay, so expected sum is always n into n plus 1 floor division by 2. Why we are writing here? Suppose in this list initially list contain 3 elements. Okay, so how we will calculate the sum of this list? So here we will use this expression, that is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So we will see value of n is here 3. So 3 into 3 plus 1, that is 4. So 3 into 4 12. 12 divided by 2 6. So we will get the sum of all the element in the list as a 6. Okay, so see here 3 plus 1 plus 0, that is 4, and what we are getting here expected sum 6. Okay, so suppose this is the actual sum of the list of the element on the list, this is the expected one, and whenever we are finding the difference between expected sum from actual sum from the expected sum, we will get the value 6 minus 4, that is 2. So 2 is that missing number. Okay, so likewise if suppose I had applied this concept on this list, so first we will write the actual sum. Actual sum is always sum of the list. So sum of the list, we will apply the sum function, which is aggregate function, arithmetic function of the list in Python. So we will apply the sum of list. Okay, so it will give the sum of the list. Suppose we apply the sum function on this list, that is 4 3 2 1. So 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. So we will get the actual sum as 10. And here how many elements are there? 4. 4 into 4 plus 1, that is 5. 5 into 4, 20. 20 divided by 2, 10. And here 10. So whenever we calculate the difference between the actual sum and expected sum, so that time we will return 0. That means in this given list 0 is missing, therefore it will return 0. Whatever number is missing there, so it will return that number. And how it will calculate? It will calculate the by finding the difference between actual sum and expected sum. Okay, so next we will write here return expected sum minus actual sum. So while return this expression, it will return the missing value from that list. Okay, so we had defined the function. Now it's time to call this function while passing some input or argument to this function missing name. So here we will get two list as a argument which we are passing in the list. Okay, so we will try for that whether it will return correct answer or not. Okay, so we will print this function within the list. So missing number while passing this list. Okay, so let's see whether we will get 2 or not. Function name is valid. So they are saying function is not valid. Okay. Let's see what is the function here. Missing int. Suppose we are passing print missing number 4 3 2 1. Now we will passing some another list as an argument within the function. Missing number as a 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we will run this one. They are saying missing number is not defined. So we will write here another function name is given to us. Okay, so for that we will try to run this code. Okay, so this function is running. So once again I will explain this function. So basically function name is missing number. Okay, where we are passing nums as a list. num is a list as a passing parameter or input. First, it will calculate the how many elements in the list by using length function. It will be assigned to n. Next, it will be first calculate the what are the expected sum of that list. Okay. So for that we will use expression n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. So suppose here, for example, if we are taken the example as 0, 1, 3. So what are the value of n is here? What is the how many element in the list? 3. So value of n is 3 here. Okay. What are the expected sum? So 3 into 3 plus 1, that is 4. 3 into 4, 12. 12 divided by 2, 6 means whatever element present in that list, their expected sum is 6. Okay. And what is the actual sum? Actual sum means how many element, what are the element actually present in the list, that will calculate the sum. Okay, so what are the actual sum here? That is 4. 0 plus 1 plus 3, that is 4. So here we are trying to find out what are the actual difference between the expected sum and actual sum. So 3. Okay, so here expected sum is 6 and actual sum is 4. So it will calculate the difference between the expected sum and actual sum, that is 6 minus 4, that is 2. So here 2 is missing. Okay, suppose we are passing another list as an argument to this function, where we are passing the 4 element of that list, that is 4, 3, 2, 1. So first it will try to calculate the length of that list, how many elements present in that list, that is 4. Now it will calculate the expected sum. So 4 into 4 plus 5, that is 4 plus 1 5, 5 into 4 20, 20 divided by 2 10. Now it will calculate the sum of this element, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, this is the actual sum. Now it will calculate the difference between these two, expected sum and actual sum. It will return 0, that means 0 is missing here. Okay. Next we will calculate another list as in parameter to this function as a input 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 elements are present. First it will try to find out the how many elements are present in that list by using length function. Next it will calculate the expected sum. So expected sum is always calculated, expected sum of that list is always calculated by using n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So how many elements are present here? 6. So 6 into 6 plus 1, that is 7. 6 into 7, 42. 42 divided by 2, that is 21. Okay. And what are the actual sum here? 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 5, sorry, 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 18 plus 0, 18. So expected sum is 21. Okay. And actual sum, actual element which are present in the list, their sum is 18. So whenever we try to find out the difference between expected sum and actual sum, so 21 minus 18, that is 3. So 3 is written as an difference of expected sum and actual sum. That means 3 is missing in that list. And see, you will get the clear cut answer here. 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, but 3 is not present. Therefore it will return 3. Okay. So this is of today, and while we run this code, we will get the expected answer also. Okay, so this is of today. If you have any doubt regarding this, okay, so please do comment us and please subscribe the channel. This is of today. Sign off. Thank you.